This is Spendwise Moms, and our video today is using rhubarb to make a very easy sauce. It can be used as an ice cream topping or in a cobbler, etc. The link to this recipe is in the description box below. When growing rhubarb, it isn't quite as bad as zucchini having way more than you need, but it gets close. Rhubarb leaves are poisonous, so make sure you cut off all of the leaves before you start. Using Walmart prices, the recipe costs about 88 cents to make, not counting the rhubarb, which didn't cost anything. I don't think I would cook with rhubarb if I had to pay for it. This makes 18 servings, or about 5 cents per serving. I am using strawberries with the rhubarb this time, but raspberries work great as well. This recipe is easy to make, and the sauce freezes well. In a 2 or 3 quart saucepan, put in 3 cups of rhubarb, a cup of sugar, 2 rounded tablespoons of cornstarch. The recipe calls for a teaspoon of cinnamon, but I only put 1/4 of a teaspoon. A cup of strawberries chopped, and 1/4 of a cup of water. Mix them all together and cook on a medium-low heat until the sauce is thick and the rhubarb softened. Let the sauce cool a little bit and then use it right away if you want, or refrigerate or freeze it for later. I love knowing how to make my own sauce instead of buying it from a store.